you have your choke pulled out?
Yeah, I have it all the way out. I'm gonna try turning it off. Oh. Okay. I gotta turn this thing to. Hi guys, it's me from Maxdod, and I just wanted to show you that my new dirt bike. This is a KLX110 2002 dirt bike. It is from Kawasaki, and it's a 4-stroke engine. So anyways, let's get a little talk about it. Okay, so let's get the basics down. You have an on and off switch. Usually turn that on. Keep it on. Keep the power, the starting switch on. Now it's not an electric start. It is a kick start. Alright, here's the kicker. And then I am going to start it for you in this video. But over here you have it. It's a 3-speed dirt bike. You have click up once, and then your normal gears, but it's 3-speed like a 50. And then you also have very, very nice suspension. You have very nice suspension, front suspension and back. And then you also have spring-loaded foot pegs as usual. And then you actually, something special about the Kickstarter is that it's not just a metal piece, it's rubber, so you have better traction, so you can kickstart it faster and easier when you're in a race. That's really something cool about it. It's basically usual foot brake, and then steering, throttle over here, and then you also have this little gas tube, and then you have, this thing takes normal gas. It can't take 2-stroke gas because it's not a 2-stroke motor. So yeah, just hit the switch on, and when it has a little drop of gas left, it runs better on reserve tanks. And then turn it on, make sure the gas on. Yep. And then I'm just gonna start it up for you. I'm not gonna ride it because number one, we're in a neighborhood and there's no place to ride it. So here we go. Oh yeah, I didn't have my choke out. You also have to pull your choke out when you're first starting it. Here we go. See, it runs good. It basically has a little tiny drop of gas left. And then, also, you have oil over here. I need to show you. There. Over here. You have oil over here on your kickstarting side. And then, yeah, you put your oil in there. And then another cool thing, a lot of people say when the gas is, when you don't see any oil in there, it's empty. Well, a lot of times they're wrong, and all the time they're basically wrong. Most of the times they're wrong because they forget that they see, you see a little gauge down here by my foot peg, yeah. And then when you tilt the butt, when it's tilted over, it can't read. That's wrong. So when you tilt it up, you can see my gauge is full of oil. That's when I tilt it down, tilt it up. So my gauge is full now. So that means that it is full of completely oil, but it looks like it's, a lot of people would say, oh, it's empty. So this thing's actually full of oil.
We're just a little low on gas.
A little low, it's mostly just a little low on gas.
Check it out. Here's Maxie Boy's new ride. Lining up at the gate. Yeah. Awesome.
come to the show notes. I want to show them me starting it.
That little thing is rad, man. Get that on the track. Tear it up. Can you dig it? What is this size is this, Max? A
KX110.
A KX110. All right. That's sweet. Awesome day today. All right, good deal. Okay.
I know I can't, but I wish so bad I could ride this.
Not in the yard, only at the track with the rest of the racers. There you go.
Oh, Amanda, whenever you guys come down, me and you can ride this.
All right, there you go. That was for Amanda.